Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. In this one, we can use about theorem. So we know that for negative number 1 to the power of n squared, they should belong from negative number 1 to positive number 1. Next, we multiply both sides by n squared over n to the power of 3 minus n plus 2. They should be like this. Next, I will put the limit for the both sides. Now we need to consider this one. So we divide by n squared on numerator and denominator. So we see that 1 divided by n when n approach to positive infinity. This one you got number 0 in here. Similar for the second one. Because on the left and on the right equals to number 0. So the limit of this one equals to number 0. This is the end. Thank you for watching.